Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to transfer TON from your Bybit account to your Tonkeeper wallet. Now, of course, you need to have some TON on your Bybit to send to your Tonkeeper wallet. And once you're in your Bybit app, all you need to do is tap on Assets on the bottom right corner, like so. And what you want to do is tap on Withdraw. So once you tap on Withdraw, you're going to be shown the cryptocurrency you have. And as you can see, we have some TON. So tap on that. And here, what you want to do is put the, okay, not that, cancel that, just press hold the address, right, like so. After that, what you want to do is the type of chain, which is TON, right? For tags or memo or code, we don't need that because Tonkeeper doesn't have that. And just, you know, tap on max. For the example, I'm going to tap max, right? It's insufficient to cover the withdrawal fees, but you get the drift. And then all you need to do is tap on withdraw and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.